Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on notifications about a particular question that you would like to get reminders when there is an update. So when someone has submitted their answers to that particular question on the quora.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device, go to your home page and select a question, tap on it, and after that you should tap on this more button in the right side of this white box and click on the notified me about edits button, so you will be able to or you are going to get notifications when there is an edit made to this particular question. And if you want to turn it off, just click on the stop edit notifications button. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.